Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video, we will learn to moderate comments in WordPress. Comment moderation is a process where, when visitors comment on posts, the comment is not published directly until and unless it is approved by the admin to be posted. It manages your comments so that there is no comment spamming. Click on Settings. After that, click on Discussion. The discussion setting page gets displayed. In the comment moderation field, enter those words or URLs you do not want any visitor to add comments. Whenever a visitor gives any comments, it would be moderated by the admin first and then published. After that, click on Save Changes. So this is how you can moderate comments in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.